It's your boy Ty back with another one. Alright, so I decided to do some shopping, get some martial arts and gym gears. So let's show you what I got. Alright, first up, so this is the bicep arms trainer. Trying to build those arm muscles. Can go up to what? 200 pounds in regards to resistance. Not bad. Yo, the thing look like a crossbow. And this is my outdoor camping bag. I'll use it to take around all my martial arts equipment. And the good thing about it, you can extend the storage capacity by revealing that section, the zipper. So you see, it just got a bit larger in regards to space capacity. So my shin protector can fit. Yeah, no more storing up my gears in boxes. So first up, my shin protector. Just stuff it in. Perfect fit. Next up, my boxing gloves. 14 ounce for now, but I can go to full 16 if I want. And my weightlifting gloves. My MMA gloves. Yeah, I do MMA as well. Some hand wraps. Some knee and elbow braces. Yeah, got to protect those knees and elbows. Definitely have to have a cup or what they call groin guard and a mouth guard to protect those teeth. Yep, a resistance training mask. I mostly use that when I'm doing cardio. And a pair of speed jump ropes. Yeah, can't forget the headgear. Way important. Don't need no unnecessary concussions. Now that's all packed. Time for the big box reveal. Let's see what's in the box. Ah, my boxing gears are here. So a pair of boxing mitts and a pair of strike pads. Time to get a new training partner to test these out. Yeah, those are the strike pads. And these are the boxing strike mitts. And the entire set was just 3,005 yen. Yeah, time for a photo op. I swear, that thing looks dangerous. And boom! An upgrade to my gym equipment. And would you believe that this bag is actually light? Well, it doesn't have the arm trainer in there, but the gym equipment or the combat gears, they're pretty light. Yep. Oh, and that's my judo gi hanging on the wall there, by the way. Yo, that's the coolest thing right now. I swear. Robin Hood with my crossbow, aka arm trainer. Well, your boy ready? Fully set. That's it. Thanks for watching, guys. Until next time, venture out.